Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of instigators. Who are they, and what makes them tick? Let's find out. First, let's define what an instigator is. An instigator is someone who provokes or encourages a specific behavior in others, often leading to conflict or drama. But why do they do it? From movie villains to that one friend who stirs up gossip, instigators come in many forms. Psychologically, instigators may thrive on attention or excitement. They often feel empowered by creating chaos and may enjoy seeing how people react. Some are simply seeking stimulation, using their social skills to manipulate situations. So, what's the impact of instigators? While they can create tension, they also push boundaries and encourage growth. It's a double-edged sword. I've heard stories from people who found themselves in conflict because of an instigator, only to realize who their true friends are. Others have shared how, in a workplace setting, instigators can disrupt flow, but sometimes challenge us to think differently. An instigator could be a third party, or an instigator could be someone who provokes you by doing something wrong to you. Now that we know what an instigator is, how can we deal with them? Here are a few tips. 1. Stay calm. Don't let their actions provoke an emotional response. 2. Set boundaries. Be clear about what behavior you won't tolerate. 3. Redirect conversations. Guide discussions to more constructive topics. 4. Engage supportively. Sometimes, offering support can change their behavior. Instigators can be a nuisance, but understanding their motivations can help us navigate our interactions more effectively. What experiences have you had with instigators? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into human behavior. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.